So now that we have fixed our internet issue, we should be in a position to go over the rest of the activities. So the first thing we will do is we will go back to our Windows PowerShell. In PowerShell, we are going to go ahead and we are going to start with first test net connection. And this will go ahead and it has done a ping connection and it has identified that our internet is working properly. Next, we are going to go ahead and we are going to test a connection, say, for example, for a particular website. So we can say test connection yahoo.com on port 443. And it looks like, yes, we are able to properly connect. We can also do a quick trace route and we can see the path or the IPs that we are going through while we go ahead and access this. We can also go ahead and we can perform certain system administration items or functions. For example, I can say get service and I can see these are the services which are running. Let me say restart service DNS cache. And okay, because I think it is all right. Let me just see whether I think the name of the services. Let us do running DHCP. So let us just do DHCP, which is one of the services which is, let me say restart service DHCP. Okay, and let us see is because it has dependent, it will force it. Let us use force. Okay, no, it's not allowing. Okay, let me see which is the service which can be started without any issue, or maybe we can open one. So if we open, say, for example, the Internet Explorer, I think that could be one of the services. So I'm going to just clear this. Then let me do get service because all the services need to have, or let me do it with more because I need to check, right? So if you notice presently the iExplore, right? Let me just go to, yeah, it is called Internet. Let me see where it is. Where is the Internet Explorer? Let me see. Is it called iExplorer? Called Explorer. Let me see. It is called Kind Connected. DHCP Windows Log. Network connection, IP, power print, Windows profile, smart card. So running SSH agent is stopped. Web account manager is running. Windows update is running. Can we restart the Windows update? Restart service. WUAUSERV. Yes, so we can restart the service, which is the Windows updater, which we could go ahead and we could restart. Similarly, we can go ahead and we can install Windows features. So we can install Windows features by going to install Windows feature, include all sub features, include management tools for a web server. So looks like we have successfully installed this feature. We can say get Windows feature, and we can specifically look for web related features. Taking its time to go ahead and execute. Okay. All right. Okay, and I can see these are all the different types of features which are there. I can actually go in, so I'm going to stop this command here because I don't want to have anything else. Okay, I can actually go ahead and I can remove features also if I wanted to based on this. So you can see these are the different types of web related features which have been installed. I can actually, if I don't want any, I can actually remove the feature. Okay, so I can say remove remove Windows feature web server. That's also one of the things that I can do. So let me go ahead and let me do that. Remove Windows features web server, and this will go ahead and this will remove this web server feature. Similarly, just like we are removing this, we can also have certain, information about the command. So say, for example, I want to know certain names of the commands or certain names of certain modules. I can go ahead and I can download that module or find that module, and then I can install that module. So these could be certain things that I can go ahead and I can perform. For example, after we have removed this web service, we may need to, yes, so we need to restart this machine. So to restart this, we will do restart. Force. So for example, over here, we can go ahead and we can get information about our command. So uh, you can find, so say for example, I want to download the Docker provider. I can also say find a module and please filter based on the word Docker. Okay, so I can find a module and then filter based on the word Docker. And it is saying, yes, NuGet provider is required to continue. All right, or you need. So I'm going to say yes or no. And based on that, I'm going to say yes right now. Let's see what happens. It will go ahead and it will download the one of the providers that will help me install these. And these are the different types of PowerShell Docker providers which are available. I can then go ahead and I can install mine. So first I can say find module. So I can say find module name Docker provider. I can in fact format the list so that the information is available. Okay. Similarly, I can install the role now that I know. Install module name Docker provider. Similarly, I can also get information, say for example, give me the command for the module. Similarly, I can go ahead and I can have find module filter for the applications. And then I can go ahead and I can have find module by name. So I can go ahead and I can look at a particular module. Say, for example, I want to know a module name which starts with carbon. Okay, and I can see it is one of the PowerShell modules. And then I can go ahead and I can install module carbon. Okay, I can say yes, and it can go ahead and you can install the module. And then I can get module carbon and see the information that we have. Okay, so let me stop here.